Dear students, this is 12th Zoology video class, Chapter 4, Principles of Inheritance and Variations. Chapter 4, Principles of Inheritance and Variations. Part 7. Part 7. Last video class, we have seen 6 determination in human beings. We have completed this topic. The next topic also we have completed the Y chromosome and male development. The Y chromosome and male development. This topic also we have completed. Just go through. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. The next topic is the one genic balance in Drosophila. Next topic is the one genic balance in Drosophila. Just listen carefully. Here, what does it mean? Drosophila means it's a type of fly, fruits fly. You can find fly on the fruits, grapes, any other fruits you can find. They'll come and sit on the fruits. That the fly only we call as a Drosophila. You can find this fly in the starting of chapter 4. Already I shown you. Genic balance mechanism of sex determinations in Drosophila. How sex is determined in Drosophila. Here sex means deciding of male and female. That is we say as a sex here. Male or female. How does this Drosophila fly decides the young ones male or female? So that is they say here the genic balance mechanism of sex determinations in Drosophila. It was first studied by C.B. Bridges. Underline. One word important, one word they'll ask you. This topic is very important because you will find a little complicated one. Just listen here carefully. In Drosophila, the presence of Y chromosomes is essential for fertility of male sex. Even human being, we have chromosomes that XY. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. The 22 chromosomes we called as a autosomes. And last one pairs we call as a 23rd pairs we call as a sex chromosomes. Like that here, the Drosophila, the Y chromosomes are essential for the fertility of male sex, but does not determine the male sex. But it is essential for fertility of male. But that Y chromosome does not determine. Determine means they don't decide that male sex. Which one this Y chromosomes? We'll see what are the reasons for that one. The gene for femaleness is located on X chromosomes. So the same thing in the female one, XX will be there. So that's what they say here. Gene for the femaleness is located on X chromosomes. And those for maleness are located on autosomes. Here, X chromosomes, XX just located on the last pairs of chromosomes. Like was here, autosome means, as just now I mentioned here, autosome means as we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 1 to 22 chromosomes we call as a autosome chromosomes. Here, the X chromosomes, the genes for femaleness located on the X chromosomes, and those for maleness located on the autosome chromosomes. Except the sex chromosome we call as autosomes. That's what they say here. When geneticists, the genetics, one who does research on the gene genetics, that is we call as a geneticist. Okay, and C.B. Bridges working with a Drosophila. What he does? That Bridges, C.B. Bridges, scientist, just he crossed a triploid 3N femaleness. What is N? N means number of chromosomes. 3N means 3 number of chromosomes will be there. That is why it is called as a triploid. Triple means 3. 3N. That's what they give here. He crossed the triploid female with a normal male. So C.B. Bridges, just he has selected the Drosophila and just crossed 3, that's a triploid femaleness with a normal male. So he observed many combinations of autosomes. Many combinations. So how he has observed the triploid means 3 and they shown clearly in the tabula column. I'll show you. I'll explain to you. So triploid means 3 n's will be there. X and Y X will be there. And the remaining things autosomes. He observed that many combinations of autosomes as well as sex chromosomes in the offspring. What is offspring? Offspring means young ones. Offspring means young ones. So a newborn baby, that is we call as the offspring. From his result, the Bridges 1921 suggested that sex in Drosophila is determined by the balance between the genes for the femaleness located on the X chromosomes. So he has decided, he has determined. So which one is responsible for the determinations of the sex means the X chromosomes only responsible for that one. That's what they say here. Drosophila determine the balance between the gene for femaleness located on the X chromosomes and those for the femaleness, those for the maleness located on the autosomes. So both, whereas the X chromosome which are located on the sex chromosomes, whereas the autosome chromosome which are located in the maleness, both are responsible for the genic balance one. You see. Hence, the sex of an individual is determined by the ratio of its X chromosomes to that of autosome sets. X chromosomes also necessary for the young offspring, and also at the same time that autosome sets also necessary for the producing of offspring. That is why he has crossed in his result by crossing of 3n triploid as well as the maleness. He just got result. Yeah, this is the result. He determined the balance between the gene for femaleness located on the X chromosomes and those of for maleness located on the autosomes. Hence, his conclusion is the sex of individuals is determined by the ratio of X chromosomes as well as that of its autosome sets also. Both are determined. Both are necessary for the formations of offspring. So this ratio is termed as sex index and is expressed as this ratio is termed sex index and is expressed sex index is equal number of X chromosome, that is we say as a X, number of sets of autosomes. The sets of autosome considered as a capital A. Just listen carefully. Your X chromosome means they given the alphabets, the chromosomes X, whereas autosomes they given one letters. That letters only we call as a capital A. Capital A means that's a autosomes. Autosome presence for the maleness, whereas X chromosome presence for the female. Just keep in mind they'll ask you one word also, or 2 marks also may be possible. Just give an important one, mark it as an important one. The next continuations of this one here. So what is the sex ratio? Sex index, number of X chromosomes divided by number of set autosomes, that is a the given here. Just go through, and here the change in this ratio leads to change the sex phenotype. Since the ratio is changed here, the external structure also will be changed. Phenotype means external appearance, external structure. This result obtained from a cross between triploid femaleness Drosophila. So already yes, I mentioned triploid female means here 3A. 3A here A means what? Autosomes for maleness. So 3A's are there and ratio is equal ratio 3A ratio 3X. That is a femaleness. 3X will be there for female. Male, that's a 3A autosomes ratio is equal ratio, and 3X is the one female one. So between the triploid female Drosophila with the diploid male, that's a 2 autosomes 2A ratio XY is shown in tabular column. I'll show you tabular column here. This they're showing here. Wait, just okay. Bridges classical cross in classical cross of triploid. That's a 3A. That's autosomes. And 3X. They mention here 3X here. So 1, 2, 3, 3X. Female fly. And a diploid 2A autosomes plus XY is a male fly. Male fly. Just is going to cross triploid one as well as diploid one. Triploid is the one female one set and autosomes as well as female, and diploid is the one autosomes as well as the male fly. Just is crossing one. What is going to produce in the next generations? Here triploid means this symbol you know already. Yes, this symbol denotes as a female one, and this diploid symbol denote as a male one. Here these are the parent. This already we have seen 3A plus 3X, and here 2A. The 2A means what? 2 autosomes. 3A means 3 autosomes. 3 autosome plus 3X, 2 autosome plus the male one. So gametes, how does the gametes are produced? 2A plus XX, and one more X will be there. That one more A also will be there. X also will be there. Here next one A plus X1, and same thing here A plus X, A plus Y. The gamete that produced is the one 2A plus X is the one female, and here A plus X they produced one. They're producing gametes. Okay, they're producing gametes. Here they given A X A plus X, A plus Y. A plus X, A plus Y plus A plus X means A means autosome. One autosomes, one femaleness. Here, one autosomes, one maleness. Now it is going to cross with one male autosome plus male, autosome plus female one. Going to cross with 2A plus XX, 2A plus X, 1A plus XX, A plus X. All these gametes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gametes are given here. 2A. So these are the gametes that are produced by crossing of these two parents, male and female. 2A plus XX, X plus A here. 2AX they given here. The next one, A plus XX they given here. Then A plus K. Can you find? So these are the gametes. Going to cross now. If you cross 2A plus XX is equal. If you cross 2A plus XX to the A plus X means 3A plus XS will come. That is because a triploid female. The same thing 2A plus XS going to cross with A plus Y. So 3A plus XXY, that is because a triploid intersex. And the next one 2A plus X and cross with A plus Y. So 3A XX triploid intersex. Here the 2A plus X is going to cross with A plus Y. 3A plus XY, and here A plus femaleness XX is going to cross with A plus Y. That's a 2A plus triple X, super female. Same thing A plus XX going to cross with A plus male one. 2A XXY, that's a diploid female one. And A plus X going to cross with A plus X. 2A XX, the diploid female one. A plus X going to cross with A plus Y. Here 2A plus XY. That is because a diploid male one. So this is an important tabular column. You can just go through. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay. The next is the one. There is a small information bits they given here. We'll see. The X chromosome was discovered by Hen King. Important one word. The NEET under. They'll ask you for NEET entrance exam. They'll ask you this type of questions. Very, very important. X chromosome was discovered by Hen King, the year of 1891. The Y chromosomes was discovered by Stevens, the year of 1902. The year of 1902. So today we are seeing one complicated topic, difficult topic, that is here. The topic is the genic balance in Drosophila. Genic balance in Drosophila. Just go through this topic very important one. And if you find difficult, just contact me. We'll see again. Okay, just go through, listen carefully this class. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Today itself, you have to learn and write in your class work. Okay, the next topic, different dose of X chromosomes and autosome sets and their effect on sex determinations in Drosophila. We'll see this one into next video class. Okay, bye. Take care.